Before we'll be introducing the speakers for today's occasion, I will just go straight to introduce the company. Since 1986, about 33 years, there's this dream that came through Shu Shiwei, the visionary chairman of Longrich. He's a Chinese, but Longrich is a Chinese-American company that has been existing for 32 years, found in Jiangsu province, Suzhou. And Longrich actually is a multinational company that produces, well, we could say, lots of basic products that we use every day: your toothpaste, your sanitary napkin, your panty liner, your soap, lots of host of products like your fertility products. We have energy cups, we have shoes, we have host of products. Longrich is iOS and NAFDAC certified, and OEM and ODM certified. Now, OEM means original equipment manufacturer, and ODM means original design manufacturer. Now, for a company to invest in research centers, we have 8 R&Ds, 8 research centers all over the world: France, UK, United States of America, China, and presently we are building one of the largest plants in Nigeria, precisely Okoyi, where the program
is our religious values. We entail our children to go to the best schools, our parents to enjoy the best medical care. We need to live comfortable lives in dream homes and drive dream cars. For us to be able to get there, we must start from somewhere. And you being able to be here today shows that you are interested in your own future. 90% of success comes from showing up. So I want you to clap for yourself for showing up today. When Mark Zuckerberg sat as Longrich International is in over 183 different countries, with each country owning its currency. And we have harmonized the system with the PV. So you select a product which will give you 720 PVs, and that can cost you approximately 750 to 800,000 francs CFA. The next level, we have the gold investors. These are people who have selected products worth 240 points, and that can cost you approximately 330,000 francs CFA. And we have the silver investors, 120 points, 150,000 francs CFA. Those are the 4 principal levels. But being a business that we understand our environment, and we know that there are people who are business-minded, people who are open-minded, who can move mountains, but they don't have the capital. We have 2 other levels for people with low income and those who are students or those who are doing nothing to start up. And we have what we call the pure silver, which is 60 points, equivalent to 90,000 francs CFA. And the last, which is the consumer pack, 4 points, is 24,000 francs CFA. So from an ordinary broke, unemployed student to a multi-billionaire, everybody has a chance to walk its way to financial freedom, where we are targeting.
I will be honoring and I'll be welcoming our mama, the very first star director of Cameroon, Longrich Cameroon, Madam Taba. Thank you.
And my husband asked me to sign an undertaking. But I said, this is my hometown. Despite all the happenings around, this is the place I feel most secure. Because I think that the people I can lean on are here. I'm happy to see the beautiful faces. I don't just want to be happy to see you. I want us to make it together.
Amen.
Did I hear somebody say amen? I want us to make it together.
Amen.
It is doable. Some people think that making it is actually for other people. Some people may be wondering, is this thing real? It is more than real. And if you want proof, we have them to show you. If you want to see the cash, we show you our bank accounts. If you want to see the alerts, we show you our phones. In Longrich, we have two main preoccupations. Can you talk? Do you meet people? If you can talk and you can meet people, then you're good to go. Some people may say, because I've heard people say, this thing started some few years back, it means it's already saturated. Now I want to let you know here that Longrich Cameroon has not yet started. We have not started. Do you know why? Longrich Cameroon counts 16,000 distributors, or call them partners. 16,000. Now I wish to ask you, what's the population of Ntareko? What's the population of Commercial Avenue? What's the population of Jimafo? How many people are in this hall? So do you agree with me that we've not yet started? Business is yet. When I went to my country meeting and I made her borrowing 200,000 francs CFA, and I told her this is abuse. This is an insult to MLM industry. It's not done. If you are into a network marketing company and you don't have people there with success stories, leave. The second thing you should look for in a network marketing company is the product or services they offer. The product or services they offer, are their services or products beneficial? Can a layperson, can the last person in the society benefit from their products or services? Do we mark the criteria in Longrich? Do we get them in Longrich? Now, I have been into a network marketing company that markets only supplements, like my sister here, because when she started with us, she had a big warehouse of products. So in those network marketing companies that market just supplements, what happens there? How on earth will I come to a young, strong, physically good-looking gentleman like this, and I start telling him to take this product? If you don't have this condition, if you are not sick today, you may be sick tomorrow, or maybe you were sick yesterday, it's going to help you. How? It looks good, right? Now assume that those products even work, and maybe someone has a rheumatism, and I gave the person products that actually cured his rheumatism. After the person gets well, what keeps us together again? When you go to the hospital and you get well, what keeps you in that hospital again? What? But now, Longrich says, I have the supplements, I have the daily use products, I have the energy series. Look at this one. This is our energy necklace. Don't underestimate anything you see on a Longrich. They are all Longrich products. Yes, we have everything. Everything you need. From babies, newborn, from babies to the oldest people in the society. Everyone has everything they need there. Now we say, even if you had a brain condition and we treated you, you got well, at least You will still continue to brush your teeth, right? You still continue to bath with soap. You will still continue to drink your wine. You will still continue to use our body cream and everything. Now, the message we bring for you is very simple. Swap your brand. Change your brand. Change that toothpaste you use every day, the soap you use every day. Now imagine that from the day you started using maybe Lux soap, Pharmapure, Dove or whatever, that each time that you write here in front, see what he got here. The vintage liquor. We got our wine. Wow. So this is what he takes back home. Congratulations. Please keep that. Okay, Daddy, here you got our toothpaste, our white multi-effect toothpaste. Thank you very much. The next, please keep them coming. Send. Okay, white multi-effect toothpaste. Congratulations. A cream or toothpaste present. Okay, Mama. Okay, the hand cream. Congratulations, Ma'am. The gentleman. Okay, Ma'am. Well done. Yes, good. Ladies will fall after you. Well done. Oh, the facial mask. Well done. Congratulations. Okay, Ma'am, she got the hand cream. She got the white tea multi-effect. Multi-purpose soap. Congratulations, Ma'am. Thank you very much. Now, to everyone, to have 2 sets of people who help us distribute the products. We are not going to leave them empty-handed. That's why we say in Longrich, we need smart people, right? So please, come up.